this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and today we are doing a Valentine's manicure, the first of many. We are using products today from BRC Nails tipsxpieces.com. We have got some red AB roses, which are just stunning. They are so super cute. You get, oh my god, I don't remember how much they are. You get 4 for $1.29. They come in red, pink, and they have the clear AB right here that I have on myself. I think that is too sweet, super cute, really cool. Head over to BRC Nails tipsxpieces.com for all your nail art needs. She's got a wide variety of things for a wide variety of tastes. We have got 4 nails here today. I had a 5th one. It's painted white. It didn't it goes, but it doesn't go. So I just took it off. We are going to top coat. Well, we got pink and red. Pink is by Diva the Bottle. Princess Nails by Diana. My red is just a random red. We're going to use a shiny gloss no wipe top coat by none other She Modern. Yes, they have their own top coats out now, folks. So head over to shemodern.com. Check out the catalog. So we're going to top coat some nails here. I do like this top coat. It's nice, thick, glossy. She's got satins, colored top coats. Anyways, back to BRC Nails, right? Brandy has just recently got her Instagram original name back, BRC Nails. Head over there, add her on, follow her. She'd gotten hacked for a while, so we all reported it, got the name closed and taken down, so that was beautiful. But she does have her name back, so head over, follow her, find her here, and subscribe. Alright. We're going to put these in different stages. Ooh. Oh. Feels wonky. And this is the red. We should bring it down this edge. So I do have some gems here I want to add. Or I need to get some more of these. Seen some black ones. I forgot who had them. I want to get the black ones. These are Swarovskis. We're going to add a big bling. Big bling. Big shiny bling. What do you think? Some shiny bling going on there. With the 80 rose. This one here has got a defect in it. That's not my paint job. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. You may have heard I have a giveaway going on for She Modern Sticky Stamping Polish for new subscribers only. So go over to my channel, subscribe, hit all the notification bells so you get notified of all future videos, all giveaways, all uploads. And you'll be in the know. Get a drink, I'm sorry, I'm parched. So here, oh, I need my specs on to see this part. These are also from Brandy's website. These are tiny, tiny little hearts. I want to kind of float them about the nail. There are the bigger and then the smaller, and the smaller are oh so little. And I do mean little. Like this one right here is a little, I think. Let me try to get one of the bigger ones to do. It won't come off. Good lordy, work with me here. So this is a bigger one, and then you got your smaller. The bigger are, I think there's 20 of them. Could be 20 of them for $1.59. The smaller ones are $1.39. I know there's top coat on here, but I don't want to come off. Shoot. Wipe off my wax picker upper. This is great. No, it doesn't want to pick up. Give me a memento. There we go. Now if I can do the same thing on this nail, work with me here, hearts. Here is a little. This is going in the right direction. Here's one of the big ones. Oops. We got a slider. And we need another little one. Flip over preferably. It's hard to see on the light which direction these hearts are because they're so tiny. This one definitely wants to slide. So I'm going to take these, pop them in the lamp. I think these are really cute. But I want to freeze that one for sure to make sure it's not going to slide about the nail again. I'm going to put it in for a full 60 seconds and we will be right back. Alrighty, we are back with fresh out of the lamp. I do think these turned out really cute. You can get your roses and your hearts at brcnailstipsxpieces.com. The Swarovskis I bought off of Carla Sola off Instagram. She is a really cool nail sister. She is a nail tech. So check her out on Instagram. If you go to brcnailstipsxpieces.com and you decide to purchase, please use my code at checkout. It is SherreeBaby10, SHEREE. Again, I'll put that across the bottom of the screen, but it is spelled SHEREE. Double E at the end there, folks. 3 E's in my first name. 1 R. Some people like to throw an extra R in there, I just don't get it, but whatever. So use my code, save yourself 10% off at checkout. Please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up. Hopefully you've watched in full, so you get the tidbit of info about the giveaway. When you enter, you can enter under any video. It doesn't have to be a She Modern video, it could be this video. Put enter me, new subscriber. You have to be from the US, unfortunately. I'm sorry about that. I'm the one who covers shipping, so that's the reason of why. If you send me a subscriber, you go into a different giveaway. They say, oh, Brandy BRC Nail sent me. I'm a new subscriber. Brandy gets put in a different giveaway for the Swarovski crystals. So you could be a new subscriber and also send me a new subscriber. You'd get put in both giveaways. So, and you could be, for the Swarovski crystals, you could be anywhere and I'll send them to you. That will be easy to mail. I'm going to do a separate video on the giveaway, but happy Valentine's Day to everyone. Hope you liked my mani today. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. I greatly appreciate it. I appreciate your support, your presence, the love you show. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Because without you, there'd be no me. That is for certain. So for that, I thank you. Have a blessed day.